the first layer of a Telemark piece, and it started with the left spin or a rolling left side pass. We did 3, and as I pick her up, I'm going to actually bring her across my track for 4. There are other ways to do it, but what we want is our energy to be able to continue down the track and not have to stop and go out and around her. Then I'm going to pivot for 5, okay, and just turn and look under my hand for 6. Anchor it out for 7 and 8. Okay, watching that again one more time, and then we give you an optional ending for it. So it was 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then we talked about the option of dropping the hand. Okay, once we get to 5, 6, I'm going to drop the hand on the shoulder and slide down and pick it up. Now, when she gets to count 4, she's assuming anchor. 1, 2, 3, and I pick up the back. 4, I bring her across. There's time for anchor. So when I pivot around and give her space to back up into for the hand, she naturally stays right there. Then our 6, 7, and 8 sets us up for whatever it is that we would like to do next. So then last week we also did 2, stretch away, stretch away. We held that for 2 counts, held that for 2 counts. But then in order to keep track of our rhythm units, when we shift to the next one, we go to single count 7, hold 8, 9, and 10, 11, and 12. That again was 1, 2, 3, stretch 4, 5, stretch 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, 11, and 12.
Cool. Awesome. Thank you.